Hi guys, hope everybody's alright. Well, first day at NEC today, absolute cream crackered. But a lot of people have been talking about security today, so I'm just going to show you a little tip. Bear with me. This is the side of Gino. Keep watching. This is like the dining table. The window's shut there. We've got quite a bright light there, so it's quite lit up, but you can still see them. This is the front cab window. That's what you see at night. Then we go round to the other side. You've got a bit of darkness here, so you'll see it better, but you won't see me as much. That's probably a good thing. So you've got that. We've still got the cameras up front. Got the old MCC sticker there. But you can see the blue LED flashing lights. Then you come to the hab door and the kitchen window as such. I know it's a bit of a dark thing, but you can see the flashing of them. And they're super bright LEDs. And I'm going to tell you a little story about them.